So hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, and this is going to be the 6th match of Super 4. So it's the toss time. So Australia champions or Australia master won the toss and elected to bowl first. Both the squads are looking very dangerous. Here comes the two umpires of this match. They are quite experienced. Here comes the Australian fielding side. चले यहाँ पे आते opening pair of South African team, Graham Smith and Kirsten. Here comes Gillespie to bowl the first over of this innings. So here comes Kirsten. पहली गेंद है इनकी. And it's a good shot. A wonderful shot on the very first ball. अगर हम रिप्ले में फिर से देखें तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बॉल थी, बट ही स्टिल फाइंड्स द गैप. इट वॉज अ गुड शॉट. इन्होंने खेला है ऑफ साइड में, बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट मारा. चलिए यहाँ पे फोर्थ बॉल, एंड दिस टाइम इट्स बैंग्ड अवे फॉर 6. व्हाट अ शॉट. He picked that ball in a very nice manner, and the result comes as a 6. The ball was approximately a shorter ball, but he guessed it well and he banged away for 6. The last ball is coming, and again it's a good 4. So after the first over, the score is 14 without any loss. So Breathley has come in. He's a very dangerous bowler. So Graham Smith has come in to bat. चले यहाँ पे पहली गेंद है ब्रेथली की. And what a shot! Graham Smith also delivered the same shot on his very first ball. Kirsten and Smith are going parallelly. मतलब कि इतना अच्छा शॉट की नज़ाकत ही दिखती है. उन्होंने खींच के मारा इस शॉट को, और लेकिन मेजर बात है टाइमिंग की. टाइमिंग वॉज मोर पावरफुल देन एनीथिंग एल्स. चलिए यहाँ पे तीसरी गेंद है इनके ओवर की, एंड इट्स बैंग्ड अवे फॉर 6. व्हाट अ शॉट. I have no words for this shot. Absolutely fabulous. The scenes over here are going insane. मतलब कि मजा आ गया ऐसा शॉट देख के. So after the second over, the score is 28 without any loss. चले Thompson has come in to bowl. He's a very good bowler. चले देखते इस गेंद पे क्या होता है. And this time he plays a powerful shot, but he only gets a single. चले चौथी गेंद है, and again it's banged away for 6. What a shot. South African team is really dominating in this match also, and they have been doing this throughout the tournament, and they continue with this insane movement. The last ball of the over, and it's banged away for 6. So after the third over, the score is 41 without any loss. So McGrath has come in to bowl. चलिए पहली गेंद है इनके स्पेल की, and it's a good shot played by the batter, but he only gets a single. तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी रनिंग between the wickets. चलिए fourth ball of the over, and it's banged away for 6. What a shot. I would like to say that none of the player has been bowled in this match, and this shows the commitment and team spirit amongst the players of South African side. The second last ball is coming off this over, and it's up in the air. This could be a chance, and yes, Kirsten has to go. The first wicket for the Australian side. They should celebrate, and they deserve it. Christian played a fantastic innings of 22 runs. If we see again in the replay, the ball was very good at a height, and due to which he didn't or he could not generate enough power to reach beyond the boundary ropes, and it got catched. Here comes Gibbs. He's a very powerful player. The score is 49 for 1. So the Australian spinner has come into bowl. So Gibbs has come into bat. चलिए पहली गेंद इनके स्पेल की. चलिए दूसरी गेंद. And this time it's an appeal for out. And yes, he has to go. What a spin bowled by Bivin. Again they are celebrating. Yes, you have done the job. Gibbs has to go with only scoring a 0. अगर हम रिप्ले में फिर से देखें, ये स्पिन अच्छी थी, बट द मेन प्रॉब्लम वाज दैट कि प्लेयर ने टाइमली एडवांस शॉट नहीं खेल पाए. सो हियर कम्स जैकुल कालिस. वी ऑल नो हु ही इज. चलिए कालिस आते हैं बैटिंग करने के लिए. चलिए द थर्ड बॉल ऑफ दिस ओवर एंड इट्स गॉन वे फॉर 4. व्हाट अ स्टार्ट ऑन हिज वेरी फर्स्ट बॉल. One thing I've seen that Australian and South African side, both the sides are very powerful and they dominate in each and every match, whether they lose or whether they. Chale, the second last ball of the over, and this time it's also a dot. Chaliye, last ball of this innings, and it's a dot ball. So the innings comes to an end. Both the teams dominated throughout the match. So let's see what happens in the second innings. So Australia champions needs 54 runs to win this match. So the South African fielding side has come into the field. Here comes Hayden and Gilchrist. They are very powerful and dangerous batters. So the bowler Donald has come in to bowl the first over of this innings. So Matthew Hayden has come in to bat. चले यहाँ पे पहली गेंद आती हुई हेडन को एंड इट्स अ गुड डिलीवरी. चले यहाँ पे दूसरी गेंद एंड इट्स अप इन द एयर एंड हेडन हैज टू गो ऑन द वेरी सेकंड बॉल. द साउथ अफ्रीकन साइड इज सेलिब्रेटिंग as the wicket goes into their favor. Hayden has scored only a 0. If we see it again in the replay, the ball was having a good pace due to which he couldn't generate the same power, and it was a simple catch for the fielder. So the batter Ricky Ponting has come in. Ricky Ponting आते हैं बैटिंग करने के लिए. He is a very good player. Adam Gilchrist has come in to bat. चले यहाँ पे तीसरी गेंद and it's a good shot. It goes way for 4. What a start for Australian side. अगर हम रिप्ले में देखें, इसमें भी पेस थी, बट एडम गिलक्रिस्ट वॉज वेरी क्लेवर एज ही न्यू दैट कि ये बॉल अच्छे से देंगे. सो मुझे ऐसा टाइम करना है कि ये बाउंड्री रोप्स तक. चले यहाँ पे आते हुई पांचवी गेंद एंड इट्स बैंग्ड अवे फॉर 6. जब उन्होंने टच करा, अ गुड शॉट. चले यहाँ पे आते हुई लास्ट बॉल and it's banged away for 6. What a shot. So after the first over, the score is 16 for 1. So Jacqueline Callis has come into bowl. Ricky Ponting has come into bat. चल यहाँ पे पहली गेंद and again it's banged away for 6. The Australian team is unstoppable. After the first over, they have only delivered in boundaries and mostly in sixes. Absolutely fabulous shot. मेरा तो कहने का मन ही नहीं करता है, क्योंकि जब ये दोनों टीम्स आमने सामने होती है तो मजा ही आ जाता है देखने में. चलो यहाँ पे आती हुई दूसरी गेंद. This time it's an early shot but I think it goes with a 4. And yes, it's been confirmed. चले यहाँ पे पांचवी गेंद. This time also it's gone for 6. चले यहाँ पे last ball. This time also Ricky Ponting, you are unstoppable. So after 2 overs the score is 50-1. So Pollock has come in. चलिए यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 रन चाहिए 18 बॉल पे. इसी के साथ मैच खत्म होता हुआ. ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज वन द मैच. ऑस्ट्रेलिया मास्टर, ऑस्ट्रेलिया चैंपियंस वन बाय 9 विकेट्स. उन्होंने 17 बॉल्स खेली नहीं है, 13 गेंद पे ही खत्म. बोथ द टीम्स डोमिनेटेड वेरी वेल, बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाज इन अ डिफरेंट मूड दिस टाइम. उन्होंने सिर्फ 2.1 ओवर्स में 56 रन्स बना दिए, वो भी एक विकेट गंवाकर. द ऑल क्रेडिट गोस टू रिकी पॉन्टिंग एंड एडम गिलक्रिस्ट टू. व्हाट अ फैंटास्टिक इनिंग्स बाय बोथ ऑफ देम. चले यहाँ पे दोनों टीम्स आर शेकिंग देयर हैंड्स. They played well, but Australia won the match. And South Africa, you also played well. So the man of the match award goes to Ricky Ponting, and he deserves it too. So bye guys. So here comes the points table. Australia and South Africa have qualified for the finals.